Hello, today we are going to discuss about the aeronautical stations. As we have seen in cell call that in India we are using the HF for the transmission of cell call, whereas we can use VHF as well as HF in other countries. Also, when you are using the HF, the station which we are using will be transmitted on RTS radio, right? So now we are going to study that what are these aeronautical stations called. So there are two classifications of the aeronautical stations that are the RDARA and MWARA stations. So coming forward to the RDARA, which is the regional, domestic, air route area, and MWARA is major world air route area. All right. Now the RDARA. This is as the name suggests, this is a regional domestic air route area. That means it will be under the regional section. Now, in India, based on the FIRs, so we have basically four FIR regions. That is the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Also, there is a sub-FIR, which is the Guwahati FIR. This is the sub-FIR of Kolkata. So, in India, there are these five sections in which you can get the aeronautical radio services. The Delhi radio providing services in the northern radar, the Mumbai FIR providing the Mumbai radio services in the western radar, Chennai radio in the southern radar, Kolkata radio in the eastern radar, and the sub-FIR Guwahati radio in the northeast radar. Alright, so these are the radaras available in India. Now the MWARA, the major world air route area. These are generally used for the oceanic routes. Now there are 33 MWARA stations. Which are established. Now, since we are studying for the MWARA stations around India, so adjacent to India, there are three MWARA networks. These three MWARA networks are over the Bay of Bengal, number one. Number two is near the Arabian Sea, and number three is in the south of India, that is near the Indian Ocean. The Bay of Bengal region, where the Kolkata radio is providing the services, this is abbreviated as the C1. Near the Arabian Sea, the MWARA network is mid-2. And in the Indian Ocean, the MWARA station is known as the INO-I. Alright, so these are the stations you need to remember, which are near the Indian or adjacent to the Indian airspace. Also, the regional airspace or the regional aeronautical stations available in India are these five: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and the sub-FIR, Guwahati sub-FIR. So now looking at the three MWARA stations around India. So here it is the Arabian Sea, which has the MWARA station known as Mid-2. Here is the Indian Ocean, having MWARA station INO-2, that is the Indian Ocean 2. And here is the Bay of Bengal, having the radio station C1. Okay.